Hello everybody and welcome to this week's Film It Friday. If you want to see what I've been up to this week, then keep on watching. So please excuse the hair. I've and no makeup. I've literally just got out the shower. And I'm covered in hair. I hope everyone's well. I'm not actually filming this Friday. Today is Thursday. So yeah, I just thought I haven't done one for a while, for a few weeks, so I just thought I'd do a quick Film It Friday. So I'm going to start with what I've been up to, then I'm going to talk about the books that I've been reading, and then I'm going to talk about the crochet, so feel free to skip to the crochet point if you want. I will leave a timestamp in the description box down below so you can skip the chat and the books. So I'm currently on placement at a medium secure unit. And it is hard work, but I do love it. I love working in forensics. But that has been taking up a lot of my time, and I mean a lot of my time. So I work shifts. I have to, if I'm on an early, I have to get up at 5 because my shift starts at 7, and yeah, I have to get up at 5 because it's right over the other side of town, so it takes me like half an hour, 40 minutes to get there. Then I've got to get through security because it's basically like working in a prison. Yeah, so I haven't really been up to a lot, but that's why, oh my god, my hair's falling out, but that's why I haven't been on very much, because by the time I come home I am just shattered. Mood-wise, I've been feeling really down lately, and I think it's important because I am obviously training to be a mental health nurse, and I am a big supporter of talking about mental health, and I think it's important if you're feeling down to acknowledge it, and my mood has been terrible. Really bad. I've been really struggling. It just gets to the point sometimes where I just want to hide under the duvet, and I think it's good to talk about it, and it's good to put it out there, and it's good to acknowledge it. And it means that kind of when you acknowledge it, you've got insight into your mood and your mental health. So I've been really struggling, I'm not going to lie, really struggling recently, and I always tend to struggle in the autumn and Christmas time. That's when my mood kind of dips, but I've just been feeling absolutely awful, like no energy, no motivation to do anything. I'm like, why am I still doing this course? Yeah, it's just been really hard. So I've really pulled my finger out and forced myself to do things, even if it's just like getting in the shower and getting dressed. When your mood is really low, it's, yeah, I'm probably just rambling, sorry, this is just like completely irrelevant to crochet, but it's just good to talk about things and acknowledge them. And if you are like me and really struggle sometimes with your mental health and your mood, you're not alone. There's plenty of us that are out there, and the more it's talked about, I think, the better and the healthier it is. So I've been reading lots though. I've done a book like October, because it's like spooky season. I've chosen these books for October. So my current read, well, I'm currently reading, like, I've got 3 books on the go. I've got one about trauma, but I won't bore you with that. I'm reading A Rebirth by Michael Palin, and I'm also reading the second book, sorry, it's a library book, so it's a bit shiny, The Dream Thieves, which is the second book in the Raven Boys. I'm not really enjoying this book as much as I enjoyed the first one, but I'm going to plough on through it because I have to finish books. I feel really guilty if I don't finish books. So my October books are The Haunting of Hill House by Shirley Jackson. I bought this ages and ages ago. I've watched the Netflix series, but I've heard the book is amazing, so I saved it for October, so that's a good spooky read. I have got The Exorcist I've never read the book, obviously seen the film, and I think it's hilarious. Why it got banned, I don't know, but that was obviously back in the day, you know, when a horror story was your wife not cooking your dinner for you by the time you got home. That would probably be classed as a horror story back in that day. So I'm going to read The Exorcist. Yeah, I'll let you know how I get on. I read books really quick. I can read a book in a couple of days. And I've also got this book, The Orphanage of God. So I got this in an Illumicrate. I think it was a Illumicrate box ages ago. Yeah, it is a Illumicrate. Sprayed edges. Beautiful. So I'm going to give this one a read as well. I'm not really sure what it's about, but it's got a bit of a spooky cover. That's what I'm going for. So yeah, they're my books. Oh, there must be dust on them because I got dust up my nose. Crochet wise, oh my god, this is coming off me. So I made this ages ago and I haven't really worn it, but I'm starting to wear it now because the weather's getting colder. It's just a little shrug that I made, and it's, oh god, I nearly fell off the chair. It is so cozy, but I'm also still working on my jumper. So this is a pattern test. Oh, I've got like the tiniest little bit of wool left. Oh, let me put that down there. I'm just waiting for some more yarn to come because this is Karen £1 and I got it when I was away, so I've had to order it from America. So if you are on Crochet Beginners group, you will know that we did a Rebecca jumper crochet along back in April. This is the, and that's in Chunky. This is the Rebecca pattern that I'm testing for Tinderbox patterns. That's in 4, which is Aaron, I think. This is where I get confused yet again. So this is how much I have done. It has one sleeve at the moment. And obviously I need the yarn to do the other sleeve. But I'm enjoying it. I'm not sure when the pattern's going to be released. I will ask and find out for you. So yeah, that's all I've been doing crochet wise and life wise. It's not been very, oh, let me grab this, very exciting. I think what I need is a big fat holiday. So if anyone wants to pay for me to go to, I don't know, Disneyland in California or Florida for 2 weeks, you know, feel free. I mean, I might start out a crowdfunding page to take myself on holiday. Poor student mental health nurse needs holiday. I am joking, by the way. Yeah, so that is it. That is my Film It Friday. It's not very exciting. Sorry about the just got out the shower look. And I will speak to you all soon. So take care. Happy crocheting.